Happy Wednesday. Hope everybody having a good day. It's getting so hot outside. I have to leave the jacket, I have to leave the tie. So I leave everybody at the office, so I don't have to wear it in the transportation to go to work. It looks like I'm burning. Yeah, I also need a haircut, I guess. So hopefully babe can cut my hair very soon. Alright, so it's been a hot week. I don't know for you guys, but here in France this week is very hot. I don't know if it's the beginning of the summer, but we're actually in June and it's that hot, so I just can't imagine what's gonna be July and August. Alright, so I'm ready. What I used to do, if I can, if I have time in the morning, is in order to make it easier for honey to start to make tile bottle. So just have to go in the kitchen. So I just have to go in the kitchen and to get the butter from him. Like that's all of his butter. So that's the first things when Tyler wake up. That's the first thing that he wants. He wants to drink some milk. After he gets some other food for his breakfast, but the first thing that Tyler do when he wake up in the morning is to drink some milk. So I'm just gonna make the milk in the bottle, start to warm it, and let the milk in the bottle warmer. So then when babe wake up, she just have to take it from there and she don't lose time. Alright guys, I wish happy Wednesday. I wish happy day for everybody, and we catch you guys along the day. Alright.
Good morning, good afternoon and good night, you guys. Workout is well on its way. It's bright and early in the morning. It's just around 9 a.m. and baby's off to work. I ran inside today because I didn't get to work out yesterday, and I don't want to wait until later, and then I ended up doing it. So I just stick to the treadmill this morning and got my run in. So I got my 50 minutes done. That's super awesome. I'm sweating like a pig, as you can see, and I'm just going to jump outside and finish up with some abs right now. So make sure you guys get your workouts in, have a good morning, get it done. It doesn't really matter what you get done. It doesn't really matter how long you do it. It doesn't really matter what it is. Walk, run, skip, jump. It will all pay off in the end and you'll thank me later. So get your workouts in. I'm about to jump and finish up this workout.
You wanna say good morning? Say good morning.
No, you can't crush mama nuts. Thank you. No. Thank you. You cannot crush my nuts, love. Thank you. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, you crushed my nose. Yes, you can crush that one. It have nothing on it. Don't crush anymore. You wanna say good morning to the faves? Say good morning. Love and kisses. Good boy. Say, how are you guys doing? I'm not giving my mama a break while she's here working. You're not giving me a break, huh? You're not giving me a break? You guys, workout was the bomb. Workout was the bomb this morning. I totally smashed it, killed it, crushed it. It was awesome. And Tyler was a good sport as usual. And now I'm here trying to get some work done, and he is just not having it. He's just all over me. Tyler, they're seeing you. They're seeing you all over me. Look at him. Look at his foot. You just want to take control. What do you want? Uh-oh, you're not supposed to be on the table. No. What do you want? What do you want? This one? And this one? And I listen to music. Okay, can you go so mama can get some work done? You have more music? Bravo. Alright, go so mama can get some stuff done. Go play Kid Lola on the phone. Okay, you guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and give you the Jamaican expression for today. You ready? Make sure you're ready. The Jamaican expression for today is cock mouth kill cock. I used to always wonder what my grandparents mean when they say that. But it's simply saying that a statement that you make today can backfire on you tomorrow. So be careful of what you say. So there you have the Jamaican expression for today. Cock mouth kill cock. This one won't be hard for Babe later. He just probably wonder, what the hell are you talking about? And of course, you guys know that he's off to work. But when he gets home, he'll give you the expression. And this cuteness is here just roaming around. What you doing? You're just being silly? You're just being silly? You're just being silly. I'm gonna tickle you. I'm gonna get something crazy almost happened yesterday. I went this close to cutting Tyler's hair. Babe and I went into the barber shop and I just turned and went right back out because I just wasn't ready. I couldn't handle it. My mind wasn't conditioned and I just couldn't. And I said, no babe, I need some more time. I can't do it. He's so annoyed by his hair. When it's down, he flashes it and it's annoying him. And as soon as Tyler see me take up the brush, he's crying like I'm killing him non-stopping. He hates brushing his hair. He hates combing his hair. I guess he get that from me. When I was younger, you couldn't even wash my hair. I would cry bloody murder. But it will cut eventually. I just wasn't ready yesterday, so yeah, just one of those things. But I'll cut it soon. Let's see. So bye bye. Tyler, why did you do that? What did you just do? Huh? Show mama what you did.
Go and show Mama what you did. Show Mama what you did. Huh? Why did you write on the wall? You guys, Tyler made his first writing on the wall with crayons. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's in yellow and blue right there. Right here. Oh my gosh. You don't do that. Ty, no. Let Mama give you your book, okay? You're gonna get your book. Your book. Wait. Only in your book, okay? Okay, baby. Write in the book. Color the book. Good job. Color the book. Right. Bravo. Bravo. Yes. Look at me. No to the wall. No. Yes. Okay? Okay? Good job. A. Blue. Good job. No more writing on the wall, okay? That we went to the pool. Yep, you were right. Just to tell her back from the pool, we went to get some unwinding and relaxation and have a little fun, and now we're back and all fresh, and I'm about to go make some dinner. So for dinner tonight I am cooking shrimp. Don't know exactly what kind of shrimp I'm making it or how I'm gonna do it, but let's see. Okay, you guys, so I decided to make shrimp and veggies for dinner, and that's the outcome. And I make mashed potato for Tyler. It's both of us dinner time right now, so we're just going to grab, and I'm really tired, as you can hear in my voice. So we're just gonna grab and enjoy dinner. Yeah.
Complete the puzzle. A is for apple.
Bravo.
Join. Match them with their shadows. Cow. Camel. Cat.
Bravo. Bravo, Mama.
Complete the puzzle. D is for dog.
Good job. Dog. Woof woof. Hey guys, so basically we forget to end the vlog yesterday, so we're just coming on to end the vlog right now. As you guys can see, babe just got home from work. Tyler is off to bed, so we're just coming on to pick up where we left off yesterday. Jamaican expression for today was cock mouth kill cock.
Cock mouth kill cat. Cock mouth. Cock
Mouth kill cock.
Cock mouth kill cat.
Right.
Kit Kat like the
Not
chocolate. You know the chocolate name Kit Kat?
I didn't say Kit Kat.
Do you know the chocolate name Kit Kat?
Yes, but I didn't say Kit Kat.
Kill Cat.
I didn't say Kill Cat.
Cock mouth kill cat.
No, cock mouth
Kill
cock.
Cock.
Yeah,
Yeah,
not
cock.
cat.
Yeah, cock mouth kill cock.
Right.
Yeah, that's what I said.
No, that's not what.
That's what I said.
That's not what.
A real Jamaican will have
Such a
understand
liar.
me.
Really no. Oh, you're so hilarious.
What it means?
It means be careful of what you say because you might regret it later.
Oh, you know, I always regret it. So you should tell me more often, cock my Kit Kat.
Right.
And to give me a Kit Kat in the same time.
I didn't say Kit Kat, honey. You're so
but
hilarious.
you have to tell me to give me a Kit Kat in the same time.
And there's no Kit Kat.
Okay, babe.
The reason why I don't keep Kit Kat is because you're eating more chocolate.
You can't stay more than one day.
Impossible.
So you have to hide it.
Impossible for me to keep chocolate in this house with this husband of mine. Real French man. What's the French word? French expression.
Santé.
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 Yeah, santé means, it can mean two things. It can mean health. Santé is the health, like the santé is good, the health is good. And it can be cheers. When you're drinking and you cheers with someone, in France we don't say cheers, or we say santé. It's like we wish santé to the other one. We wish health to the other one, but when we cheers, we say santé.
Okay.
So because I drink some champagne tonight, so that's why that's the French expression of the day.
All right.
Santé.
All right. So there you guys have the French expression and babe's take on the Jamaican expression about him Kit Kat.
A cock mouth kill cock.
All right. Alright, you guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and if it's your first time watching, don't leave unless you subscribe. Catch up and keep up, and we will see you guys tomorrow.
You say you want me to sing. Whoa. Bye guys.